What if you could send any website from your phone to another device in seconds without copying links, messaging yourself, and typing anything? Chrome has a hidden feature that most users completely ignore. If you are never used Chrome QR code feature, you are missing out on one of the easiest way to share websites. Here's how it works. So first open Google Chrome and visit any website. Tap the share button. Now select QR code. Chrome will instantly generate a QR code for that web page. Another phone can simply scan the code to open the exact same websites. Instead of copying long URLs or sending links through apps, Chrome turned the website into scannable QR code. Anyone with a phone camera can scan it and open the page instantly. Here is the biggest benefit: share websites faster than copying links, move pages from one device to another instantly, no need to type long website address, useful for presentation, classroom and meetings, easy way to share websites with family and friends. And the best part, it only takes one tap. The surprising part is that Chrome users see the share button every day, but very few people ever tap the QR option. That's why this features remain one of Chrome's most underrated tools. So next time you need to share a website, skip the copy paste method. Just generate a QR code and let the other person scan it instantly. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.